ladies and gentlemen. So it's now time. It's now Latino Heat time. We're on day 3 or day 4. Well, with this video, this will be day 3 or day 4. I will actually put if it's day 3 or day 4 in the description. When this video comes out, it will be either day 3 or day 4. It's the 30th of November today. So well, not we. I'm recording a couple of videos at days in advance. So we already have day 1, which was the little bit of the bubbly Chris Jericho, which you get an AEW World title and the little bit of the bubbly shirt and a lot of accessories. Day 2 was the Young Bucks. There you go, Matt and Nick. And day 3 or day 4 is your next unboxing. Well, obviously, because, well, the one we've got now is going to be either day 3 or day 4. This depends on if the Britt Baker comes tomorrow on the 1st of November. Which obviously, you will see the Chris Jericho figure. These unboxings and reviews, and any content for the 31 days will be posted at 1 PM every day. So, whatever content for that day, 1 PM that day. So, without further ado, Eddie Guerrero Series 95 Elite. You've got your certified authentic logo, you've got your True Effects logo there, and on the top of the box, in the corner, might stand up to give you a closer look, Series 95. This is the US packaging variant, Series 95 there, of the figure. Now, I have seen people actually do it from the top, so I'm actually going to go from the top. By the way, there's the back of the box. If you want to read it, there you go, go ahead. Well, if you want to read it, you can actually, I'll stand up so you can read it better. And I will actually read it, actually. So, it says, from El Paso, Texas, 5'8", 1.73 meters, 220 lb, 99.8 kilograms, finisher forward slash, career highlights, WWE Champion, Intercontinental Champion, US Champion, and WWE Tag Team Champion, of course, because the Tag Team title is featured with it. Latino Heat's motto of Blind Cheating still paid off in 2003, leading to a WWE Tag Team Championship, US Championship, and eventual WWE Championship in 2004. That's the other people in the series. This series has got Big E, John Cena, Jimmy Uso, Eddie Guerrero, of course, Bobby Lashley, and a first time in the line, Shotzi Blackheart. So, let's go ahead and get him open. Ooh. Yeah, this is a nice way to get the box open. Especially if you want to preserve the box. Which, because it's a US package one, I am going to try and preserve that box. There we go. So, accessories. You get another belt. We get the WWE Tag Team Championship. Actually, let's get a closer look at both belts. We got them. AEW World title. There we go. WWE Tag Team title. Two really nice belts there. Now, one thing I hate about sometimes figures is how sometimes they can be cut. Well, how they can be caught in. He is literally upside down right now. Whoa. Where did that go? So, I really don't know where that went. But yeah, one of Eddie's hands went on the floor. Or did they go in a box or something? Oh no, they gone on the floor. I fixed it. Oh my god, really awesome action figure here. I'm gonna sneak under the table, so if you don't see me for a minute, I'm sneaking under the table. So, there we go. Basically good that that happened. Well, not good that happened actually. As it went on the floor. But yeah, 2 interchangeable Eddie Guerrero hands. Now, I'm actually going to put them there. And I need to remember that they're Eddie Guerrero's hands. Really nice figure. I'm loving the design of that figure. Really nice. Love that figure. Obviously, there we go. We've got 4 figures out of the packaging. Really nice torso design as well for it. I like the head scan. Oh, it says Latino on the back. Really nice figure. I love this Eddie Guerrero figure. There you go. The Eddie Guerrero Chase. There we go. Put him next to Chris Jericho. Yeah, so that will be day 3 or day 4. I will, when I put this video out, if Brit does come on the 1st of December, I will put this as day 4. So, I hope you enjoy. Day 5 and 6 are next up for recording today. That video, Eddie Guerrero, will be either day 3, if Brit doesn't come on the 1st of November. If Brit comes, then Brit will be the 3rd, day 3. and Eddie will be the 4th. So, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of the content from 31 days.